Obahi bebre ano poku are no ma wano asante kotoko no no
Adeshi mama ye mamu nyina akwaba ye sama nyina afihia panso otweda mpo nyankopon eya domo a afisa sɛ nyankopon amnya ye nhyira kra sensei dofo ne adofo hia sanso so enanchia ne akyɛde ahodo nyina ekomu na de ne ye tabusa ne sɛ sa afi ano hia se ya ye boabo ye ho awura fefufuru mu no ye nyina ye kɔ asɔdem ɛna afenso wɔn so so a wɔn mu ade ɔmo de ɔmo bu mu ade ɛkɔ afi na awie ye nyina de wɔn de ɛkɔ wɔn so ɔbɔ 31st night so ɛkɔ ɛnna de ba besua ne sɛ afi ano hia se ya na sɛ woyɛ nipa a wɔn kwan ya hoɔdene a ɛdeɛ ne sɛ woyɛ ansa na wowura afi foforo no mu wogya afi dada no kwan na wowura afi foforo no mu nneɛma bɛ na sɛ woyɛ na woyɛ nso so a nsunsuanso papa bɛ na de ba wabrabɔ mu ɛna sɛ wonnim so na woanyɛ nso so a ɛyɛ anasɛn ɛna si ɛte abrabɔ de ɛyɛ adesua tentina panyin sɛ obi nim a obi kyerɛ ɛnɛ kan ho ne nsua de epina me di sɛ nkɔmɔ no emra na wieye no wobɛyɛ nhyira te sɛ de ma yɛ nhyira medin ɛde maame fawzia nɛnɛ ya kyerɛkyerɛ fo twɛdɛ mpɔnyakopɔn de nadome a da ne da wɔde yɛ wura mu kyerɛkyerɛ ade me hu abrabɔ ani so no ɛno ɔno ne ani ne bɛbɔ nkɔmɔ me de me frɛ no Nyansabuakwa ɔno ɛna nyame de nadome ma yɛma na fihia pa sɛ de medi kan de to mani mo no eni nti sɛ ebetimi asua de sɛ de otweda mpɔnyankopɔn de na wura honhom akyerɛ na de biebie n'ani so no na ɔno so de kakra de akyɛ me no mienu ne yɛsua ho ade Nyansabuakwa me mo afihia pa
afin komatua
afisa sɛ nyankopɔn me ayɛ kɛse asense
ɛno so de wayɛ wi
amen 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 na afi ne kwa wie ya ye de enim sɛ ɛhyɛ aseɛ 31st
yeah
na above 12 o'clock na ye 1st January
yeah
mu no 31st ɛhyɛ breben na wie breben
okay on say your calendars ahodo bebre your the Jewish calendar and the Gregorian calendar and what you crumple your calendars ahodo bebre ya obia fa so edibubre awasase so anywhere na sanya da bia ye din komo no on say am ka cho say nyankopon wona de na nipa so wona de na nyankopon bre no ye kan nyina bom ye friend kairos moment or timings ena ye wo the chronological and ye nipa ahodo nyina de chronology chronicles how all these things have been done. Nyankopon pemono or say and there was night and there was day and it was the first day. Kyerɛ sɛ ɛdan kasa nhyase anopo.
ɛdan nhyase anopa.
Nhyase anopa.
Nhyase anadwo fa.
Anadwo e free 6 aircon 6 p.m. Ye si dafofrom.
Dafofrom ye nhyase free 12 a.m. Nhyase free 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Kind of Bible. Or say there was even and there was day and it was the first day. Eti we na ye wo mu no enya bo 6 pe ye si Saturday eno ti na memenda for ne bo 6 a no magya do mu ye bia they close before 6 p.m. That's the secret. Eti Saturday e sha se Friday 6 p.m. na kwa wie Saturday 6 p.m.
na say e sha 6 p.m.
na kwa wie 5:59. That's that range.
In terms of 31st e be sha se enne anwumre yi a friend say
a bo no nsia pepepa yesi afufuru
okay and you know sa no se wo bibia wo beje ansa na ya wura 31st ni mu a e ye den ya
one I was so dware sane abrante bia menim no
I was say wo dware
wo say wo dware
sapone seminar
oh I was say wo hunu no ma bia wo so de kan ho wa ka de eye wa pede en I was so de bi kan ho
31st no
31st no e wo so wo ye ansa na wawurum
so we kwase da na wo so de kanso ho na ade adwa
o kasa
kakra
uti ye mfa nipa nyina mu
okay so we nipa nyina ho mu ni nyina no on sa de akade bi wo ho no ma ya wada ntime nyusu meme nda ntime yusu we
eti we no ye ka de obi a betumi ayusu
obi a betumi ayusu no eno no 6 o'clock anwumere no
before you enter
until say 5 o'clock
5 o'clock ana wo betumi aye na no pa anything that you can do
nti adware no wo so dware ne sen
dware a wo be dware no mostly wo benya ni kwase na ka de semra ka ho but ebia we din ka dware be 2 hours ago ama de wo be so ye bia afro to wo ko ho eti dware da wo kwa ko dware na ankasa you are cleansing your system eti normal betimi de gu nsuo mu no ebi eye we you can say bidie wo de ye wo de bidie to nsuo mu de dware a wo de ye every negative energy is being cleansed. The next one eye ade a ye frɛ no salts enchene abodien rock salts se wunya no na de gu nsuo mu na de dware a bidie no eye ade a on se mame enchirim kakra tete won se obi kwako a na de bidie sram utwa nsekan a ntwa. It is also for spiritual protection, but your choir was also for the other ones. Name opesa or cleanse yourself for bidi. Eti yewo enkofubo yesi we de wa bion. Yes bena emma benada fo. Min kom bebre. Name de meka no say bidie ye e de mani pa nyina. Name ye enkofubo won so eboa omo pa. De ote asem we no enya the revelation dada or the beye na dwuma or the bebo ne bra because me ma adwen say me de be chesa ankofo
asa de na fo no
me pa cho me nka sa o
me so me siso kakra
de tie ne say your planners you will wiem kuo ahodo nyina omudwumadi a omudi no e wo effects e wo nipa ene abode so menyi ni say nipa bi wo wiase mu a opese sebe na adwemu ye ne he there's you do brebia the wiemu beka no ntini wi nipa adwen ye he woto se hu se wi abo bebreba na ho yira ana wo pɛ ne se ho be yira ba wi na o ka bibi se ne be ya wo be ye de wo bete so no so aba eduru bia wi no se memmo ne wi ma ye kusu Yesu Kristo ka se bi o se hwɛ wo nipa mu ye nyaatwom mo hu se ewiemu eye se kyerɛ ne eye lowry anopa mo se we are going to have a bad weather say ne de wiemu nya den enye na mum se hu se ewiemu ayesa na ye abre eye enumra mo say you have a good weather. You hypocrites, you can discern but you cannot discern the spiritual things behind. Say ade bia behunu mu wiem ana atwa ho ahia bia no you both the physical and the spiritual. Physicality no say wonim se sensuo mura wonim se sensuo ba beto. But have you seen say enso ni mu na ye no emuna free he enframa na e fa ne free he fa na eba because be bia enframa no free ba no e kire ade e de nam
sa no onyu ana say anu o hye
eno krompachi no ye the spiritual implication say we enframa e bo a ye enframa say enframa e bo ho e de won chinhia enframa eti moti enframa no which is the okay moti enframa. And to your surprise, and the emwatia whatever it will be because it is cherubs. Who say God came in a whirlwind. Let's say we had one bad crop, but the moti and from money by. All because in the Bible, obit meet siam from him. No ayera kwakusi baby. Into you now can say motia and from ma. What are you saying? It's true. They will motia no enye se bi otafrache dia demonic eti bibia mframa no enamo ban ene kyerɛ sɛ wo se wutiem ana se nikwa se wutiem because mframa bi a wutiem etimi prawo etimi kun mframa bi nso ho ma wutimi tiem etimi du sika nyaba mframa bi a wutimi tiem ade bia bebi se bia yɛ adwuma eti wo na wo so hunu bibia mframa no free ba but we don't teach people like that. The enter make we nyina ne se afi na okɔ na wie aboya ba betwam ye obibi o mo frɛ no omen
nka me baba be ka ho asɛm
abo bebel ne color any normal should tell you something.
Color no can come back on. Deserve for fanto will betray me. Na color in na ye cut at the first of once me. Actually say.
On say a more bit is afrafranton. They are more mystical in nature. They move according to the movement of God. Oh, bompire, on afrafranton white aba. Hallelujah.
Was it hallelujah?
Bobby Becker said, hey, I'm Busafay. We could
not say hallelujah. No, I could do one dance. I was sorry.
Oh, bompire. What Catawani, what would him say with them will be bien or better when in Takra Ababeto. Wow. What a wonderful experience. Be our bobu or who or them one more. You have to really be quick on that.
And it is a few run on.
Yes. Bobit me who announce. None the boo fu no kuma boano no yes because announce no so go and yakopon to announce ba. E be pa. Oh seriously.
And to me I say bibi say na say ye would din komo bi say na sa frafran to betwem na say. Na husuo no eh
where green. Evergreen.
Say.
Evergreen. And a black hole.
And a black hole.
Black talks of secrets. Meaning there's going to be a revelation of good things. Yeah, ebeba. You see, we are doing something green. Ewom. Once the color ni nyina green. What who of frafranton between bia. The color ni green and black. Black is not always negative. It's for absorption. Color etimi twe normal black. And until now tasha black at the koyi say I want here. If there's negative energies around our baba no abre. The entire make a way nyina say bidie no e wo the spiritual implication. Susumasa no ye ono nko a.
Susumasa no de won fa bibia amfa.
Won fa hwe mfra.
But bidie ne de wo de nchene be fra.
Wo betim de nchene afra.
Na wo de adware.
Wo de adware.
Be 6 o'clock.
Na wa pe anointing oil e de agum. Olive oil e okay. Okay. Oh, adwongo so because adwongo ankasa no so no ye ya ye wo Ghana ha no de adwongo enye dense ebenya and it's one of the most potent oils.
Say adwongo so ho dense.
No ne asem no
adwongo
so first name because the adwongo be yama wo no wo hu ha God
adwongo enti wonya adwongo na se wo dware a wo de adwongo no begu nsuo ma na se
wo begu nsuo
na wo de asra
wo de begu nsuo like wo heat a won say wo heat a it me fra nsuo no gu nsuo nani eti wo be ye wie no wo passa no ma miensa we no e bidie na wo de nkyena boabo ene enwo eye olive oil ana adwongo palm kernel oil wo mo hwe ye eti say wo de we nyina gu nsuo ni mu a obitimi da eden adware e de awoshe wo ho a cleanse wo system. It's a natural phenomenon. Ya obi abitimi ayeden ayebi. Eye enano de no. E wo hon mo a obitimi ayeden aye. Be ye wo akwanche bi hon mo a eno no ye eno so di tamie wo be nye dua tamie wo. Eno no ye no when you are getting opa wusi afinimu na no aye. Eno no no ma ne na nanom no. Omunim the spiritual implications e wo Bible mu. Nti no mo mfa ni agro. It was say Yakopon to make us a mumfed way, munyese, na mumfanye eduham family.
Na se de wo kan na se e wo se na se wo dwura no ho no.
O entina on say ye ka se wo dwura wo ho a. Che say wo de saa de no e pepa no ma bia yeden afro ho. Say your crème, say your hunhum ana oni peduem. Because adware bi wo ho no a e bia na wo yare. It me yi hunhum honam no ma nyina afri ho. Ye wa kwanche bi nso ho mo a e cleanse wo system no it is anoma we no ne normal kiti bi a okika bomu a e wo se wotimi go far
enti me ehwe wo dware wie na na wo se wo wie a wo ko hu wo spiritual father e ma ne ka afe no de be si anasa afe mu ne nyina
se no krampo de wo ba be si the next year na wo se ba me fa se 2-3 weeks ago na kwai
nti wo san ka ye si busumi mu December busumi ma na wo san ka wo ye
sa wo ye krampo na wo hunu ne e be si no wetimi aye ho akwankere before you enter
afe e be si mu no san na afe no motete
on say afe no
2023
ye wo de ewiase mu nyina be hunu ene ye wo de wo ankasa wo nso be hu nipa bia wo the specific e number 7 it is say enim say 7 no e for perfection Bibia bede da ye and it is also a time for rest. ewiase mu nyina eti edrubre bi a yetimi call reset chese obia nim sa de bia me ye bia no sa afi we mu no de there's going to be a reset eti wo de opa free last month urban hwede kwakosi obia hunu say ewiase mu currency nyina pese fail. It looks like it is failing. It is not failing. There's going to be a reshuffle. And normally, there's going to be a rest. It's that time you can take advantage. Now, it won't say the world is going to a reset. Then what should you do? That will be your personal year.
It says, I know who say year near 7 now. Naming in Abbey Cobocon.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you pan a necessary way to take advantage?
I was a woman so personal one. It will no personal one and what can mean no album. No one say, and near Bisan. It will be a bit me ayeden, a boy, no washing, and no passion. It's a non out me anyway, na bow as a believer. Yeah.
And it's a walk where Bisan and as a walk with moon. And found when the baby were Bisan.
Baby, I would you say? Would you dear one? A woman was awkward.
And tell us a walk where Bisan we are. And I said, you'll be overcutting them and you'll be a mecon where Bisan. Into one custom in Yankopon Betten Town. Into a Jaribia. Do no one cassa a person in Yankopon Town. A dear necessary.
There was a way, you will not be a horn more. Maybe to say, with me a pet. On say, until I make her say, and yet a dear beer, and there was a way, you beat me a can. A war. Way so. Name say, we a Christian near, who bet me a conquer to Venom, what grade we in. Who bet me a bompire. But on pie bona will born. We see a phenomenon. The first thing I wouldn't quite so did dear grow your candle. So candle no case ready. Send a Christo Yakania no some Yakanian, but Mecanian Shrafim.
And we are size so I yes, I name and I was so yen in every.
Why ye now I can go to Jen because we drown when
the candle no so
what the candle no see one was
fufu and a calabe.
It depends on how you want it. We bet me to see the 7 colors, and it is even one of the most wonderful. So you use all 7 colors. No, I can say rade eda free juada, kokosi ni kwesiada, and na free kwesiada kosi ni memenda. 7 days ni nyina anum de asi ho, ma mention. So yeah, you are just good to go.
And on the sense where your batter and I said we a papa or no matter. O bet me aye de akata wo busuani nyina.
Munyina.
Ye wo nkwa wo ya wo de amabusuani nyina.
Wo bet me aye de amabusuani.
And on the say when dwira wo ho ase wo wura fifufuru ni mu a. Eno ya na ma mu ye ha na se enframa bi etimi bo.
On say ye be wura afi nim. Afi no wo de wo e de mayen. E na yen so ye wo eno ma bi e pese ye den ye. Na me wo ensim bika. Wo ye Kristo ni na wo tie mi ahwe yi. Asasi so aye won ye nte akwa. It is a wo ye no ma bia ma wani enko de wo ye no. Say oh so candle you shouldn't just light the candle anyhow. Before so be light no the Nyankopon asese o de amount. Na mani hunu say one na bofo na we invite them. You don't invite evil spirits or any evil entity around you. That's the mistake. Na ka chen say urade maybe so you know minim say ye kosi afufufuro mu yesum em de mame minim de ewom akwankyera me ye say me so kania na da no me di kyerem. God will really reveal things to you seriously. Well dayem wakoda God is always faithful. He will always reveal things to you. It's also your quantity back with candle. And the market can also a normal bit me a day at their bone home.
And to say, you knew Raffy for any more. Near my banner was a so young son. January not on a way.
So, Remudia, a normal a woman. The woman who say what film and a bachelor there was away. Yes, it will be a keke, and I be a keke. Who de su animu na wa bisa aye bibia wie no o January we na wasame no aye ho akwankyere February no aye ho akwankyere we no aye ho akwankyere then you just move on.
Jansa afie besim de ebekoye de ma won no mo ye adwuma na so mo mpese mo hye bibia se foforo
ade bia wo ye bia e bia you've gone through a lot of hardships and I say bibi akoso a wo mpa time for rest e nyambo anese because everything is going to be resting. enti ano so na be you say asafi ya yenya enya wom enen so no don't be too busy for anything whatsoever. You have to concentrate on what you have been doing.
Okay.
And that's all.
It is a we ensuo. We ensuo. We ja. We mframa. Na so we asase a. Afi we no. Hwan no mbedi ye wo mu pa. Sa for element.
The things that this world is not ready to receive. Let me tell you something. Your fan, me fan say 1 week. Because bosumi bi on my bet make say afiwe wuni. But apart from say afiwe wuni no, there was certain years bi on mo a on betumi ayeden. Aye kama they were 7 years. Ebeko yaman. They were 20 you can say 20
21
16 years. They were 25 years. They were 34 years. Always uncle 34 years. And they were 43 years. All these people have something that is really going to help them. So what can we hear? What can numbers me no boom? Now when you're 7, you are good to go. It's one they are unique. But what can say as I say this mana and also your bosumi and sound wait me sana meka. Yeah. But one more ya sasano. First week of January, first 2 weeks no, your more time of manifestation. As if we na, but one more million soon they have to be careful. Send a bayer no man yading and say because the third and the fourth week no, and one more so no, a bayer ding a better for them. Eti one more year asase, one more year a jano, or more time money, but one more makan the next 2 weeks no, will be for them. And until no more muye assassini jano, and normal a bit rough for them this season. While ye ja, while ye, you know, or normal bit me a year some way be you see January more. First 2 weeks is your time. Manifest it at good speed, and you are just good to go. If free 1st January, because 15th. That's it. And Feniagro.
Na so wo achede bi nso so a afi mu a fena safe ne kona wie ya na wura fufu mu hwan na esese wo che na de
1 ejanka 2 obi oye kunani 3 ohoho and 4 obi a oye hunhun mu adwuma obi a wonim se wonim fom ana obi a obɔ mpae ma saa nipa ni nyina gina baako nipa 4 no ye obi a oye den ejanka ana awisia 1 obi a oye kunafo 2 obi a oye hoho 3 4 no ayi obi a oye hunhun madwuma eno 1
asa omo ne mom ne osesa wo che o made
omo ne wo so che o made
asa wudi we nyina so na sa afene se de eti bia ne be ye bia ma
de be yama eno ne ade ba ko ayen kan kire eti the first thing is hwehwe de afe no ewo ma na fa ka afi we de wo mu obia that will make you a master obu on man na afi we no oye number 1 safi we we number 1 a just say you might be lonely nipa nyina be paawo it looks like obia amfa ho we number 2 this is the time you get sponsorship, you get people around you, you have to take advantage wonni mu a e wo so hwehwe so we number 2 na pa ho a e just say helpers of your destiny came and you never knew sabre no so na boss amanfo ye den e ba won chen. It is search for all these things and you'll be a master. Oya number 3, that's the year that you'll be very creative. Whatever you create, but you'll be very lazy as well. Oya number 3, you'll be very lazy for the year. Oya number 4, you focus more on work. You focus more on work and your security. Oya 5, also, you have to be careful with your words because words can bring you good or bad, and people will take your words very serious. And grace will abound for you. Adia ombre ho. We number 6 sa afinimu no. Ubonwu sa wo be ye wode. Your concentration will be on your family. Your concentration will be for your community. And unto wo bibia wo so de boa wo busua, wo bibia wo so de boa wo kuro, wo bibia bi asori a wo mu ana bibia wo find yourself. We number 6 that's when you have to do it. Number 7 is for rest, for perfection. No me bia what to no. Sa abre no ye mfa se adwuma. Wo se adwuma at that time you've lost it all. You will never get it back. What's the same with Juma? Best say forever. because yes say adwuma when you are in number 1 but ekwan first where you hunu number 1 and then number 2 number 3 for personal year no no book will teach you that. That is the secrets for Christians. And you have to see someone who understands this. Now one show. Me nka say ba ehwem you. But the make can say hwehwe obi a obetimi akyerɛw. So who ne say it will be good so man of God ni mo a ma no enkyerɛw. That is ahead. They have already been programmed. Yeah, Yakopon said they are too worried. It is all who say they way na eboa. About him say, okay, this is how I have to go by it. That makes you a master of your world and your brethren as well. It is our year number 8. Say we year na year number 8 no. Say year mu ne di nyeska. Omre wo ska ho. So you know what to do. Obi a the number year 8 no company was taking it serious as quick as possible. And yes, a be hard because one take steps and send we graph in more a be how.
Na nipa na be den no calculate hu say me afi we you me number 1, me number 2, me number 3, me number 4 na me number 5 ko.
And I may say eno no just okoko pe obi onim hunhun adwuma. Eno me bi wa ye nka na bonte.
Watimi a kire ne say esan so obenya ba ko na date of birth. Ne die ye the wo.
And ne die ye the wo no. And the full name.
And the full name and son watimi a say afi we number 1 we number.
Even your correct date of birth is okay.
So obenya wudin ne wo date of birth na otimi de bibi tia wo da say
otimi
bia na your friend a spiritual father na say no bia na we disclose sane man.
Let me tell you something. Even your first name mehunu ne wo ye nkete so nyina.
First name no.
Your first name nko yeah, that was so officially obia e de frau. Yeah, what documents on. I can see what you do in bed.
And I joke no who do we say na jo no say.
Me pa kire say se nipa na san and I won sign ope and I won pa with your first name. I have to be able to know it.
With first name no.
And nko.
Okay.
Akowa.
First name why?
Me nka sa de no da. No, it has to be and yes, what can ya na make. No.
Okay,
you have to work on it. And you'll be able to know it. Any time you be all crumpa, date of birth no fa, but first name no me no. Actually, so more worry I'm more.
And yes, any penny dear that was a year cradano. And no, actually, we soon buy out with it to be a senior.
Tino bo on money dear the tone on the sun shabre. Like I was on a cocosi, be dear the tone on as a sun shabre. No one.
And just a week, yes, say. Answer na wo beda sa wo niema ehun hia wana say ohunhun mu niema di no ese se ohun se nipa na wo de ma no no oye hunhun mu nipa ne hunhun ne hunhun krogen
anya sa obepra
anya so betim de di wo
be di wo
ene se bebre timi di amanfo hyebre
na hyebre afu no bi ba be ka kiro o hyebre no nkrabia obetimi sesa no with your date of birth obetimi am wakọ ba bia ni kwan sa woko. No, maybe a hot more. Men are not ready to receive it. But let's just thank God.
And that is a new beer our friend who ya mini pebia was so to me quan and chair. She know who's a one and a home on the quan sana. What's an enemy park once and more? I
don't crumple the new question I'm catching. Say a cash will be a majuma or different from say was me mere soft. And I'm a malam and I'm a day. Obo on what they are turning home. Baby, I want to mean charo. So this is what is ahead of you. But then when I catch a man for me, see this year, the reason why I took certain steps, yeah, man for thought it was crazy, was because by God's grace, I know that's what I have to do it. It's either I do it now or never again. God knows best. And I told me, any what I went through, I have to be ready for it because I knew it was going to happen. Yeah. And the Bema.
And that just a young couple the name in a guacama, my said the bear yammer will be assembled.
Any question over lack of knowledge, my people perish. Hosea chapter 4, verse 6.
It's here condemn or DJ.
The mechanic say, we nipa will be as more. And my country empower. And a penny pound so at the beer bit me who near wooing. Train ye, a bit me a year or papa, bit my own mammy. A bit me a you defobi, and then nipa beer, who names a young couple shall not dinner. Who is a bow day, de metimi aka no na emom se wo bibia ye ne siesie anase forget it dem bekam
wiase no yenyina na ye ba wiase awie yase se ye ba bebobra otwedya mpo Nyankopon na de ba wona nim de nti a o me ye wo da ye wo no me ye wo me da ye wo me eno no so na nim de nti a wo ma bosomi dumienu eso a na afe ba akwa na wie ye ne ya sha afe fofrase ono so na nim de nti a wode akade ne sa na emani nyina kaka ye ho ye wo wie yase de na kyese ye wi adesua da ade kye ade asa bia yesua de ni hunu kwan ya tete atempon no omo fa so omo anyere fi otwedam po Nyankopon kwa so da no eno ana mpese me do mienu da ne da me no mienu yesi so ne yesua de sanse Nyankopon obode ma me no mienu obode ma wo bia wa ma mfa amasofo ena wa ma mfa amalam obode ma me no nyina eno nti amama mu nsama ya ne kan sa amama mu fo enya ya adefo no fa ho hyemu sa won susu ka ho bi enti claim na niam edi agu akwamdi so na afimu yedie ni nhira no osoma wonsanka na bronsam wonwu na nu wawu kina enti hwe na mu wani nko abrabo ho nebo ni ye ye wo na bayiye wo ho enye nne na bayiye beba tumi ni Nyankopon tumi ni wo ho a ayi adwuma ahonhom awodo enyi na ewodie no so wo ho a ayi adwuma babusa se wo die he ena wo do ore ni ogidi ahyemu do ore ni ogidi ahyemu no ena Nyankopon ma ne yesa edema yedie ye wo de a wo befa kunimdie ye wo de a befa asori a wo kwa de bia ye ka che se ufie nya ye de aduragu fo wo betia so wo bedi adurabi wo bedi adwane be ma oyematu no ma me gya asori no yedie nya wo de a ne nhira so nya wo de a Nyankopon ye adoma ye bese hia no ayi hia de wo se ye soma santima ye bo ma brabo akodanim na brabo nso so ayi ye de a se otwe dem po Nyankopon de ani manya eno nti na Alandu e wo ho Alandu de na kire nhira eno nti wo hwe bia wa ye nhira ka so be subscribe no a share ama fofo so enya bi ahwe afiwe kono kwhwe wo maame wate kwhwe wo nana na kwhwe wo abrewa na beyi wo hui eye honhom wo ha eni wiase tokora na so ka so ba be ye wa obeba nye so be ko okurum nko eni wo ye wo bi bibia wo bia bojemu wo ye wo yiyi nti kona kwaye na ye na do bi besusu afa wo afimu no ena no me mfa nko no so midin ade ma wefozia Nyansabuakwa nyamisha onya Nyansabuakwa de a wo frem a wo fa no ma na egu ase na wo benya no na wo ne na edim ko nyame nkoso anya okese kai se wo be subscribe so de ma nyame insha
Obo ahin bebre ana opoku are no ma wa no asante kotoko no no so ni ebedi akon aboabo ho eti one to na sakra abo ankwa ye